What's up, YouTube? Camz874 here. I went out to Walmart because I was bored. I got a blaster of 2011 Platinum. I got a hit out of it, plus I got a hit of WWE. I'm going to go ahead and open the non-hit packs first. Hopefully we'll get another auto or something. Cam Newton rookie card. Prince Amukamara rookie X-Fractor. Matt Castle thick variation. Colin Kaepernick rookie card. Matt Ryan parallel. Cameron Jordan rookie card. Tom Brady base. I'm making a video. Thanks. Got an Andy Dalton rookie card. A Jarrell Jernigan rookie X-Fractor. Kyle Rudolph die cut rookie card. Ben Roethlisberger green parallel Titus Young rookie card. Alright. I'll do the WWE pack first, then the Platinum. Got a John Cena, nice hit. John Cena, Masters of the Matt Relic card. Not numbered. And then the Platinum pack. Hopefully we'll get something nice. It's Niles Paul patch autograph. 333 of 356. I have no idea who that is, but it looks pretty cool. Alright. Thanks for the look.